Collective, let's see what's going on with the person on your mind. We have the Queen of Cups. This person thinks of you as someone who has a very good grip on their emotions. You're very emotionally available, nurturing, kind. This person feels that sometimes it can be fake. A fake personality trait that a lot of people fake in the beginning of connections. That's why they hesitate to trust this side of yours. This person also feels you have a very good grasp on your emotional understanding of feelings. Like, you can look at someone and you can understand them, like almost like you're a mind reader. You have this psychic ability to understand people. This person is very assumed, oh sorry this person is very amazed by that, amused by that. This person also feels that you're quite quick to react. Like, you're not someone, you have a very different personality. Like, you are introverted but not socially awkward. Like, you are someone who likes to be by themselves. You like to take care of your health. You like to make things which are a part of your routine a very important, like you do certain things which are very important parts of your routine, but you do them with a lot of touch, like emotional touch. You're very emotionally included in the things that you do. And this person sometimes feels that it's very rare to find someone who's that passionate about the things that quote unquote don't matter. This person is in this energy where they are noticing how swiftly you are shifting into a new transformational energy. Like, your weight is changing, your how you look is evolving. For a lot of y'all, this person is noticing how you look younger because, your vibe has changed. How you eat and digest certain food groups has changed. Like, this person is noticing the smallest details about you. Like, you might feel like as if you're watched by someone because this person is constantly keeping an eye on you. And also they are keeping a check on the smallest things that you do. Like, if you change a habit or if you start following a lot of fitness pages, like, this person keeps a check on that and they try to evaluate whether what are you up to, like something like that. So this person is in this energy where they keep a check on you, where they keep an eye on you. Yeah, with the Page of Swords being here, this person tries to assess you, understand you, and like pass a judgment. Okay, she's a fitness freak. And then you rest for a week and stuff like that. Like, you change your behavior so quickly, and it's usually because you are very in tune, very, very in connect with your intuition. You just do things randomly and you just do things according to your own timing. So that is confusing for this person, but they are realizing how quickly it is working out for you. This person is also in this energy where they are trying to gain more knowledge about you. Like, the kind of things that you like, the kind of interests that you have. This person wants to know more about those things so that they can have a deeper, meaningful conversation with you. This person is very attracted to you, but at the same time, this person also feels that you're not looking at them. Like, honestly, this person feels a little ignored by you because you're busy in your life. Like, you're just doing your own thing. You're just making your life all about your choices, your hobbies, and just living it the way you want to live. And on the other hand, this person is observing you. This person is looking at you. But you are busy winning. Like, you're just busy in your own world. You're just busy in your own day to day routine. This person is very close to you. This person is very close to you. This person is almost in a relationship with you, but in their mind. This person is in a relationship with you, but in their mind, because they constantly think about you, they constantly evaluate you. So they feel so close to you, but you're in your own world and you don't even think about this person. You think about them from time to time. We have the Queen of Wands. You both are coming up as a pair. Whenever you think about them, you do notice that this person is extremely attractive. You're very attracted to this person, the kind of personality and the charisma that they carry. This is a very intelligent person. I'm picking up on someone who is street smart, and at the same time, this person has a very high IQ as well. This person is book smart and street smart as well. Like, it's a very rare combo that I'm picking up on. This person is in this energy where they want to be a type of individual who is as self involved as you are, and not in a way which is superficial, but in a way where it really works out for them because they want to evolve as a person. I'm picking up on someone who's a self development geek. Like, someone, I'm talking about you right now. I'm picking up on someone who tries to improve certain aspects of them continuously. Like, it's a continuous quest for you where you try to improve the things that you don't necessarily like about yourself. And this person is very amused by that because they feel that you get the results. Like, you you notice the results as well. It's very difficult for them to understand how quickly a person can change. That is something which really excites them about you. They also think that you are naturally very attractive. Like when I say that, a lot of people carry this natural magnetism, like, they attract people like magnets. They are extremely magnetic. Their aura, their energy is very attractive. And you both are that way. Like, you both are naturally very attractive people, and you attract a lot of suitable partners. This person also feels that you are someone, you don't necessarily use your beauty, or you don't necessarily use your charm to get your way in life. Like that is something which really is admirable about you. This person thinks it's a good quality that you carry within yourself. Like you have this wild unknown spirit, but you only let a few people in your life, and the people who are a part of your life, they get to know you on a very deep level, and you let them into this amazing whimsical world. But like you are not that way with everyone. This is one of the things which this person absolutely loves about you, because your access, like, you allow people in your life only when you feel intuitively connected to them, when you feel as if there's a connection which is rare. This person loves that about you. This person feels that that's a very great quality. You're not easily accessible to friends, family, and the people around you. We have the King of Pentacles. This is someone who is very stable. This is someone who is very stable. This person is moving towards you, but at the same time, this is not something which is, this is not a decision which was made in haste. This is not a decision which was made very quickly. They just decided one day that they want to be a long term partner. That was not the situation. This person has noticed you for a very long time. This person is also in this energy right now where they are pausing and, like, trying to gain more information about you before coming towards you. But this person is more on the practical side, I would say. Sometimes this person might come off as emotionally unavailable, or it is very difficult for them to express the things that they feel, because this person is rooted in the factors. Sorry, the this person is rooted in, how do I say this? This person is rooted in practicality. This person is a very practical person. Like, they weigh the pros and cons of a situation, and then they approach the situation because they want a definite result. But on the other side, you are someone who is very intuitive. You're very in touch with your emotions, and you move according to your own rhythm. And if you feel like it, you enter a situation. Like, you don't necessarily weigh the pros and cons. You just expect the best and move the way you want to move. So that is one of the things which is completely different between the two of y'all. The main factor here is the chemistry and the attraction you have for each other. You both are very attracted to each other. This person is going to move towards you. This person is going to ask you on a trip. This person is going to ask you to move with them. Like, this is someone who is going to ask you to move with them very quickly, because they're very sure about it. They are very sure that you are the type of person they want to live with, and they are very sure about the fact that they can see something stable and long term with you. They are very sure about it. That's why they will ask you to move in very quickly. That's what I have for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.